Hey, I wanted to share an idea that I've been working with for about 25 years, and I call it circular intuition. And so it starts with the notion that time is not linear, that past, present, and future could be happening all at one time. And so if you accept that enough to work with this idea, here's how that would work. Right now, today, I can look back at the past that I remember, and I can affirm choices that I made in the past. I can say, gosh, I'm so glad on that one day when I faced a really big decision, I turned left instead of right. And the more times I affirm that from my present moment, the more energy I'm sending back in time to the past me who had to make the decision. So the past me is getting this strong intuition from the future self, because every time the future self affirms it, the past self gets a boost of go left, go left, go left. Same thing works in the other direction. Because I've decided to implement this practice in my life, and I've been doing it for 25 years, I now trust my intuition because I know that my future self is sending back affirmations for the things that I don't know at the present which way to go. So in the present moment, whenever a big decision comes up, I think, and I connect, and I take deep breaths, and I trust my intuition. So when it becomes clear to me, oh yes, this is a moment where I should turn right, for example, take a new path in my life, and I'm more able to trust and surrender to my intuition because I know that my future self is sending affirmations. Boy, I'm glad I did that thing. Well, I hope that's not confusing. Now, there's another example of this that's just an interesting story and less about making decisions. But when I was a new mother, my son Forrest was probably 4 months old. I was with him for the first 6 months. We had a lot of alone time. It was a really beautiful thing. And during that 6 months, I spent time with him every day, of course, doing all the things that a new mother has to do. And there was this one day, I took a photo of him in this cute little onesie. It was my favorite. And he was sitting propped up in a chair. And then I was holding him. And I was just enjoying the feeling of being with him and being really present, not being distracted by any other tasks or thoughts or feelings, just being really present in the moment. And I then began to perceive dozens, possibly as many as 100 versions of my future self in the room, reconnecting with that moment. The me of many times and many places, was remembering that moment. And probably because there was a photograph associated to that day, that facilitated the connection to that day as opposed to other random days, because all 6 months were really beautiful days. So I just sat there, and it was breathtaking to see, with my mind's eye, not literally see, all of these versions of my future self really just communing with that sacred present moment. And so I think the present is rich with glimmers of the past and the future. And if you develop a relationship with your past self, your future self, your present self, your local self, and your higher self, you can really enrich the possibilities in terms of magic and manifestation. So I hope you'll think about that. Hit me up if you have any questions. I'm on Instagram as MamaTree17. I have a Facebook page, Mama Tree Priestess, and of course right here on YouTube. Let me know if you have any requests for certain video topics. I like to do that. And so I love you guys. Thanks and have a great day.